We've done the Triple Crown of horse racing. We've done the Indianapolis 500. Let's do the night race that follows the Indianapolis 500. It is also the longest race over Memorial Day weekend, the Coca-Cola 600 by NASCAR. And for that, well, today we're going to make the Cherry Bounce. This is the cocktail of North Carolina, where the Coke 600 is held. And as I said, it is the longest race at 600 miles, just a little bit further than Indianapolis, but I've never had it, so let's get into it. All right, need to take this out, take that out, grab your knife, slice up a lime. I need a ½ ounce of lime juice. Now I need 2 ounces of cranberry juice. This would be mainly just Ocean Spray cranberry cocktail. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And now for the hard stuff, we need cherry vodka. I've said not to use flavored spirits. I also broke that when I made the Cosmo. So I'm using 3 olives. You can use any one, as long as it's a cherry flavored vodka. Or if you want to do a cherry infused vodka, that should work too. So I need 1.5 ounces of my cherry vodka. And you know what the deal is, grab your ice. And I'm going to throw a curveball to you. Got myself a large ice mold, so I'm going to use 1 large piece of ice. You know the drill. That'll work. Nice aeration. Now, after we've shaken our cocktail, now we're going to get our smaller ice cubes, and I'm going to go 4 cubes into the Collins glass. Now, take your Hawthorne, place up, strain her in. That's fine. Now, grab some club soda, carbonated water. Get some seltzer. Get something that's carbonated for this. Maybe not soda, but get like carbonated water. Brand new bottle of carbonated water. Nice and fizzy. Just like I've always said, pour off the ice to top. And now to garnish, I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a Luxardo cherry. I imagine the actual garnish would be a maraschino cherry, like one that you get for an ice cream sundae. I'm just going to use a maraschino, a Luxardo cherry. Glass this up just a tick. Take your straw, introduce. And this is the Cherry Bounce, the drink of North Carolina. Cheers. That's interesting. That's tasty. No, that's very tasty. Wow. You don't get a lot of cranberry. The cherry really takes over. Like the cherry tastes the cranberry and says, mine. And in doing so, this is really good. That is a nice, refreshing cocktail. Especially good for going into Memorial Day weekend. Heck, even throughout the entire summer when it's hot, it's 100 degrees outside, you're dying of thirst or dying of heat. Coming inside and having one of these, I mean, wow. That's impressive. It doesn't need sweetness. I would have thought because of cherry vodka, cranberry juice, seltzer, lime juice, that you might need a little sweetness to bring out flavors, but nah, this is fine. It's fine as is. It doesn't need anything. Well, that concludes no. It doesn't conclude the month of speed completely. There's one more race that I need to make that cocktail for. And that is the Grand Prix of Monaco. And that will be the next video and the final video of the month of speed. So we're about, the 5 weeks of speed. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, have you tried any of these cocktails? Have you been following along? Are you interested in trying any more? And You can find me on my Twitter at Beginners Bar, socials down below in the blog. Find me on my personal YouTube page. Try to be there Saturday nights, depending on how things feel, how things work, and you know, maybe have a good chill time. Maybe make a cherry bounce or make another cocktail that's within this within the month of speed. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I will be back real soon. This has been the Beginner's Bar.